Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to set up automation in Zephyr. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So in Zephyr, automations are called zaps. Each zap has triggers and actions. So first thing to automate it is simply sign up or log into your account. Once you have done this, you need to create a new zap. In your dashboard, click on plus create zap and name your zap. Example, save Gmail attachments to your Google Drive. Now you need to choose a trigger. Search for the app you want to start the automation, example Gmail, and select the trigger event, new email with attachment. Connect your account and test the trigger. Now you need to add an action as well. Choose the app where you want something to happen and select the action event. Once this is done, add multiple filters or multi-steps action. This is completely optional. After you have done this as well, you need to turn on your Zap. Once everything's tested successfully, click on Publish, and Zephyr will now run the automation automatically in the background. Now monitor and manage your app, and you're all set. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.